Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram close friends not working. The first thing that you can try and do is log out of your account and log back into your account. The other thing that you can do is head over to Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. If not, then you must see a blue update icon and then you can tap on the update button to update your Instagram. The other thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device, scroll down to find apps, and then tap on see all apps and scroll down to find Instagram. Here you must tap on storage and cache and clear both storage and cache of Instagram and try adding them to the list again. Sometimes you may have to rebuild your close friends list from scratch if Instagram removed all your close friends from your close friends list. Sometimes you may also have to report a problem. For that, you can head back over to Instagram and then scroll down to find report a problem. Tap on help and then tap on report a problem. Turn shake phone to report a problem off and then hit report problem. Here you must describe your problem and then submit it to Instagram, after which Instagram will get back to you. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.